Hey everyone, and welcome to Ozark Drone Adventures. Today we are taking a trip to southeast Missouri to explore a one-of-a-kind park, Elephant Rock State Park. These giant granite boulders aren't just fun to climb on, they tell a story that stretches back many years, so lace up your hiking boots and let's go check them out. These massive boulders, some weighing over 600 tons, are the park's namesakes. They get their name because they look like a herd of elephants walking in line. The star attraction of the park is, of course, the giant elephant-shaped boulders. These boulders are formed from 1.5 billion year old granite and look like a train of circus elephants. The largest one, nicknamed Dumbo, is 27 feet tall, 34 feet long, and weighs a whopping 680 tons. The park is a geological reserve, which means it's a protected area with special geological significance. The elephant rocks are a type of landform called a tor, which is a stack or pile of weathered granite boulders. Tors are not very common, and Elephant Rock is considered one of the best examples in the Midwest. The park also has a bit of human history. Believe it or not, The reddish granite here was actually quarried starting in the 1800s. You can still see remnants of those quarries within the park today. The park has evidence of a bygone era. There are carvings on the rocks left behind by 19th century miners who worked in the area. You can also find the ruins of an old railroad engine house, which was used to transport granite from a nearby quarry. Thankfully, in 1967, geologist Dr. John Stafford Brown recognized the park's significance. Thanks to his generous donation of the land, Elephant Rock became a state park for everyone to enjoy. Elephant Rock State Park offers something for everyone. There's a 1-mile Braille Trail that winds through the rocks, making it accessible for visitors with visual impairments. The park also has picnic areas, a playground, and opportunities for rock climbing. In 2023, the park added an electronic off-road track chair that visitors with mobility issues can use on portions of the Braille Trail. The park is relatively small, so it's perfect for a day trip. It's located in Iron County, Missouri, just a few miles from Johnson Shut-In State Park and Tomahawk Mountain, Missouri's highest point. So you can easily combine a visit to Elephant Rock with exploring other natural wonders in the area. Elephant Rock State Park is a fascinating place where geology and recreation collide. Whether you're a rock enthusiast, a history buff, or just looking for a fun day outdoors, the park has something for everyone. So come on down and see these magnificent giants for yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures like this, and let us know in the comments below what are your favorite natural wonders.